Hello, and welcome to our third class on Justware Defender. I'm Peter Zook, Project Manager for the Office of Defender General. Our class today will be covering searching, entering, and saving a new client into the system. Before we start, make sure you've viewed both the reset and the screen orientation videos and have run the reset procedure. Let's get started. Our fictitious client today will be Mr. Hubble. My screen reveals that I have logged into Justware. Looking at the top of my work area, I see that there are a number of tabs open. Let's close most of them to make room for some work. To do this, I'm going to hover over My Justware, right-click, and click on Close All Sessions but This. Now typically with a Windows-type program, you would start by clicking on File and New. Justware is different. With Justware, you start by using the search feature. By searching first, Justware reduces the number of duplicate entries into the database. Let's go to the Quick Search feature located in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Enter Hubble in the Quick Search box and hit Enter or click on the magnifying glass. Using the search feature did a couple of things. First, it displayed the results of the search in the workspace. There are no Hubbles in the system. Secondly, it caused the ribbon to display more options. The top option on the list is New Name with a plus sign next to it. Just what we want to do. Click on New Name. Okay, so with that one click, a lot changed on your screen. Let's take a moment to see what happened. First, our workspace has a brand new tab named New Name. That tab has a lot of blank fields. That makes sense. To the left of the New Name tab is a tab with a magnifying glass. That must be our old search. I'll click on it. Sure enough, there are my old search results. The old My Justware tab is still there also. Oh, and the commands on the ribbon changed again. I now have a few new options, including Save Name and Save and Close. We'll need these buttons for sure. Okay, so let's get Mr. Hubble into the system. We will type in last name Hubble, first name, middle name, prefix, and we'll give him a PhD. To move from field to field, you can use the mouse, but you may find hitting the Tab key on your keyboard gets you there quicker. For name type, we will select Agency from the drop-down. For the date of birth, let's fill in a month and a day, but for the year, put in 2005. Now, before we tab to the age field, we're going to do something different. I would like you to hold down your Control key and tap the S key. This will act to save the name file and reveal a few interesting and helpful features of Justware. Notice that the save calculated Mr. Hubble's age. It also determined that he was below the age of 18 and posted the word juvenile in a yellow banner across the top of the screen. Okay, let's continue to fill in the screen. With the race field, you can either use the drop-down or, in Mr. Hubble's case, type the letter W. This will autofill as white. Just hit your enter to complete the autofill. You can do the same thing for gender using M for male. F, U, and T also auto-populate, as you can see from the drop-down. Type in birth country. The ID number is a miscellaneous field and will hold both text and numbers. For instance, if you wish to put in a number used by the police, you could enter the text State Police Number followed by numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fill in the Department of Corrections personal identification number in Doc PID number if appropriate. Okay, you're done. Hold down your Control key and hit S or click on Save Name on the ribbon. You just entered your first name into Justware. Practice makes perfect. Try a few on your own. We're still in training mode. You can't break it. Give it a try, and we'll see you back soon.